what stress actually is the fight or flight response. And when you are in a state of kind of constant fight or flight response, you have adrenaline and cortisol and all kinds of chemicals running through your bloodstream that have a devastating negative impact on your health.
It's important to help clients learn how to manage stress, because stress can result in a real increase in mental health symptoms. With stress, we see an increase in depressive symptoms, an increase in anxiety, and it's really important to teach people how to develop the tools to reduce the likelihood that that's going to happen.
When we talk about stress, we want to always look to maybe the external pieces, but a lot of times there are issues that are pretty much, they can be deep-seated. We talk about symptoms. We talk about how do I relieve some of the stress.
If you're dealing with stress, we will help you look at the different arenas in your life that may need some attention. Sometimes this means looking at your diet and seeing how often you're getting exercise. Other times it means teaching you techniques to manage your stress on your own, like deep breathing, meditation, guided imagery, and things of that nature.
When we think about stress, we want to also be mindful of the fact that sometimes there are things that are happening in our lives that we need to change. And there are times when we are very reluctant to change for fear of the unknown, not knowing what to do, how can we cope. All of those things come into play when we talk about change.
Some of the things we're talking about, like meditation and mindfulness, are sort of misunderstood culturally. Some people might think that you're sitting in the lotus position and you're singing Kumbaya. That's not necessarily the case. These are very direct, straightforward practices that are very helpful, and research supports the benefits of meditation and mindfulness.
So one reason to come to therapy to deal with your stress is it's going to make you a lot healthier.